When I say skills, what comes to your mind if you're a parent and for your child? Maybe you're thinking about reading, writing, creative writing, some sports, some extracurriculars. Well, skill itself is a very broader term. Developing skills in children at a very young age is very important. Be it life skills, be it 21st century skills, be it skills that they require to function as an individual as well. Tying shoelaces, knowing how to button their shirts, how to comb their hair, how to fix a breakfast, how to fix up a snack. These small little things make sure that the child is becoming independent individual, which they already are, to be very honest. And there is a huge lack when it comes to skills in today's children. And it is very important for schools to foster that at a very young age. I do understand that we have a family system in place that used to take care of this when we were younger. You know, our grandparents, our uncles and aunts, and there were so many people to teach us. With the families shrinking, everything lies upon the parents, all right? And at times, being a parent myself, I feel it's unfair. We are in nuclear families. Both the parents are mostly working, so it becomes difficult for them to keep up with these small little things that the child should know. And it doesn't, seem like much, but it is very, very important. That's where Cyboard School steps in. We stand parallel to you in giving your child the skills that they require in order to become wholesome individuals. And it could be as simple as teaching them how to tie their shoelaces, or it could be as complex as how to make an Excel sheet. We take care of it for your child.